With all of the yarn stores going out of business these days, I was really excited when Katech offered to send me this yarn so I could show it to you. Now this yarn comes in a nice 4-pack, and then it also includes 2 crochet hooks with a rubber handle, which I thought was really nice. This is a really pretty gradient cake. Now this yarn is 60% cotton, 30% acrylic, and 10% wool. It's very, very soft, and if you look closely, you can see there's a little bit of a halo on there. This is like a worsted weight size 4 yarn, and you can see the halo really well when I pull it out. Each pack comes with 4 balls, and they are 100 grams each. Each of these are 245 meters, which is about 267 yards. That's a nice healthy little cake. If you look real close, you can see this is like a real pretty like tan color and a little bit of like a mustardy yellow, but it's real light, and then some blue, and then the brown and the yellow on the outside. They also gave me a 6mm and a 6.5mm crochet hook, and these are nice and ergonomic. They have the nice little flat grip for your thumb. I love these hooks. I thought that was a really nice touch to also add crochet hooks to the yarn. So I'm going to show you now all the different colors that they have, and then I'm going to show you what this looks like worked up. Katech Fairyland yarn comes in 12 different colorways. They're all so beautiful. The gradient transition is so pretty, and I just love all the different colors that they have. What I really love about this yarn is the softness, and I also like the fact that it's a blend. It's not just straight acrylic. It does have the cotton and the wool in it. It does have a nice twist to it so it doesn't unravel. I started a little granny square. As you can see, it's turning out just beautiful. It's working up great. It slides right over the hook. Very easy to work with. I really like this yarn, and I think you will too.